Okay, see if you can work this out. This here is a right angle here, and this is also a right angle here. So somehow work out this angle theta. Okay, so press pause and have a go. Okay, so the first thing we should do is work out this height here. Try and work backwards. You need to know, you need to find out theta. Now, what do you need to know in order to find out theta? Well, you've got a right angle here, a right angle triangle here. You only know one thing at the moment. But you need to know two things in order to work out theta. So you could either try and find out this length here, or you can try and find out this length here. Okay, so it's one of these two. If you know this or this, then you should be able to work out theta. And it turns out that this one's quite hard to find, whereas this one is really easy. So because here, if you use this triangle here, then you can actually find out the length here. Okay, so looking at this, if we know this length here, we can work out theta. If we know this length here, we can work out theta. And it turns out that this length here is easy to find. So let's try and find this length here as opposed to this length here. Okay, so let's call this x. So this x represents this length here. Okay, so now we are using this triangle now. Okay, this triangle here. So let's use this triangle to find out x. So if we use this triangle here, our imaginary sum will be here. Our c will be here, an upside down c. So we need to know x. So we're given this and this. So it will be a sine to heaven. So we know we need sine. Okay. So it's going to be sine 60, always sine the angle here, sine 60 equals x over 9. Now, multiply both sides by 9, so it will be 9 sine 60. Okay, so x is given by 9 sine 60. Okay, so now we know this length here now. So now to find out theta, then now we would jump to this triangle here. Okay, jump to this triangle here. We want to know theta here. So hang on, let me tidy this up. So x is 9 sine 60. Hang on, 9x equals 9 sine 60. Okay. So now we would jump to this triangle here. Okay. Well, the angle is here. So our imaginary sum would be here. So we've got this length here, which is 9 sine 60 here, and then we're going to use this and this. So it would be, remember, the c would be here, our imaginary c would be here. So this would be sine. Again, it's another sine. So bear in mind that this is 9. X equals 9 times a number. This is just a number. Okay, so you can think of it as 9 times a number. So now jump back to this triangle now. So it would be here it would be a different sign. Okay, so sine, hang on, sine the angle here, which is theta, equals x. X happens to be this thing here because we've just worked out this length here. So it will be 9 sine 60 over 8. Okay. Remember, this is just a number. Okay, it's a number times 9. So now we need to know theta. So we inverse sine both sides. So hang on, let me move this across. So theta equals, now remember we are here, so we need to inverse sine both sides. So it would be this. Hang on, let me think. Inverse sine, and then bracket a sine 60 over 8. So this could be your answer. So now, sorry, 9. This is 9. 9 here. Okay, so now you just need to punch this into your calculator now. So work out this bubble first. Basically, get sine 60 times 9, and then press equal, and then divide it by 8. Okay, press equal, and then whatever that number is, you need to inverse sine that number. Okay, but you can just leave it as this. Okay, so that would be your theta. Okay.